Most people don't discover their fuel injectors are clogged until they've already wasted hundreds of dollars. The worst part is, your car has probably been warning you for weeks, or even months. In this video, I'll reveal the 7 warning signs your fuel injectors are clogged, starting with the easiest symptom to miss and ending with the one that tells you it's time to take action. Ignore these warning signs, and a simple injector problem could turn into a much more expensive repair. Let's get started. Number 7. Your fuel economy suddenly gets worse. One of the earliest signs of clogged fuel injectors isn't something you feel, it's something you notice at the gas station. If you've been filling up more often even though your driving habits haven't changed, dirty fuel injectors could be the reason. Fuel injectors are designed to spray gasoline into the engine as a fine, even mist. That perfect spray pattern helps fuel mix with air efficiently, so every drop burns as completely as possible. But over time, tiny deposits from gasoline begin building up inside the injector nozzles. Instead of producing a smooth mist, the injector starts spraying unevenly. Some cylinders receive too much fuel while others don't get enough. To compensate, your engine computer often commands longer injector pulse times, trying to maintain the proper air-fuel ratio. The result? Higher fuel consumption without giving you any extra performance. Many drivers assume colder weather, traffic, or tire pressure cause the drop in fuel economy. While those can affect mileage, clogged injectors are often overlooked because the decline happens gradually. If your miles per gallon has dropped noticeably over the last few months and nothing else has changed, your injectors may already be sending you their first warning. Number 6. Rough idle that comes and goes. At first, it feels so minor that many people ignore it. You start the engine, and instead of running smoothly, the car develops a slight vibration. Sometimes the RPM needle gently moves up and down. Other days, it feels completely normal. This inconsistent behavior is exactly what makes clogged injectors so difficult to diagnose. When one cylinder receives less fuel than the others, combustion becomes uneven. The engine begins shaking slightly because every cylinder is no longer producing equal power. As deposits continue building inside the injector, the rough idle often becomes more frequent. Many owners replace spark plugs, ignition coils, or even motor mounts before ever considering dirty injectors because those symptoms can look very similar. If your car sometimes idles perfectly, but occasionally develops random vibrations without triggering a warning light, clogged injectors deserve serious attention. Number 5. Sluggish acceleration. Have you ever pressed the accelerator expecting your car to pull forward, but instead it feels lazy? The engine still runs, the transmission shifts normally, but something just doesn't feel right. That's because clogged fuel injectors reduce the amount of fuel entering one or more cylinders exactly when the engine needs it most. During acceleration, your engine demands much more fuel than it does while cruising. If an injector can't deliver enough fuel quickly, combustion becomes weaker, reducing engine power. Many drivers describe it as the car feeling heavier than usual. This symptom often becomes more obvious when merging onto highways, climbing steep hills, or carrying passengers. Since the power loss usually develops gradually, people simply adapt without realizing how much performance they've already lost. The longer the injector remains clogged, the harder your engine has to work to produce the same amount of power. And unfortunately, this is usually just the beginning. Number 4. Engine hesitates or stumbles. There's a big difference between slow acceleration and hesitation. Hesitation happens when you press the gas pedal, but the engine pauses for a split second before finally responding. That brief delay may only last half a second, but it can completely change how your car feels to drive. This occurs because one or more injectors can't instantly supply the fuel needed when throttle demand suddenly increases. Instead of smooth combustion, the engine briefly struggles until enough fuel finally reaches the cylinders. Some drivers notice this while leaving a traffic light. Others experience it when overtaking another vehicle. Since hesitation can also be caused by ignition problems, dirty throttle bodies, or faulty sensors, clogged injectors often remain hidden during the first stages of diagnosis. But when hesitation appears alongside poor fuel economy and rough idle, the evidence starts pointing toward restricted fuel injectors. Number 3. Engine misfires under load. This is where clogged injectors begin affecting more than just comfort. A misfire occurs when one cylinder fails to burn its air-fuel mixture properly. Sometimes it's barely noticeable. Other times, the entire vehicle jerks during acceleration. When an injector becomes heavily restricted, it may no longer deliver enough fuel for complete combustion. Under light driving, the engine may compensate well enough that you barely notice anything. But during hard acceleration or climbing hills, fuel demand increases dramatically. That's when the weak cylinder finally gives up. The result can be engine shaking, noticeable loss of power, flashing check engine lights, and increased emissions. Many people immediately suspect ignition coils or spark plugs because they're common causes of misfires. However, if those components are healthy, dirty injectors become one of the next places experienced technicians investigate. Number 2. Strong fuel smell or black exhaust smoke. Your car should never smell like raw gasoline. If you begin noticing a strong fuel odor around the vehicle, or black smoke coming from the exhaust, it could mean one or more fuel injectors are no longer spraying correctly. While many clogged injectors restrict fuel flow, some become partially stuck or spray in an uneven stream instead of a fine mist. That causes fuel to burn inefficiently, leaving excess gasoline unburned. Black exhaust smoke is another warning sign that too much fuel is entering the combustion chamber. Besides wasting fuel, this extra gasoline can damage your catalytic converter over time, one of the most expensive parts in your exhaust system. If your car suddenly smells richer than usual and your fuel economy has dropped at the same time, don't ignore it. The injectors may already be affecting far more than just performance. Number 1. Check engine light with multiple fuel-related problems. The number 1 warning sign isn't actually the check engine light itself. It's everything happening together. Poor fuel economy, rough idle, weak acceleration, engine hesitation, misfires, fuel smell. When several of these symptoms appear at the same time, your engine control module often detects abnormal combustion and finally switches on the check engine light. But they don't automatically say, replace the injectors. That's why so many people spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars replacing perfectly good parts, while the clogged injectors remain untouched. The good news is that if caught early, professional injector cleaning, or in severe cases, injector replacement, can often restore lost performance, improve fuel economy, and prevent much more expensive engine repairs. The important lesson is simple. Fuel injectors rarely fail without warning. They leave clues long before they completely stop working. The sooner you recognize those clues, the cheaper and easier the repair usually becomes. If you recognize 2 or more of these warning signs in your own car, don't wait until a small fuel delivery problem turns into a major repair bill. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more practical car maintenance tips, and let me know in the comments, which warning sign has your car been showing lately? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.